All right, welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to check out the MAONO A04 Gen2 podcasting microphone kit. Shout out to MAONO for sending this over to me to unbox. It's always appreciated when companies send over products to unbox, because without the product, there's no videos. All right, so what do we have here? Like I said in the intro, MAONO A04 Gen2 podcasting microphone kit. It says the #1 best-selling internet microphone worldwide. So as of the making of this video, this kit goes for 71 Canadian dollars on Amazon. I think it's a good price. That'll be finally determined by how good this microphone sounds. So let's see what else is happening with this box. So it says 192 Hz, 24-bit ADC, high-resolution sampling, Maono Link software for extended functionality, USB and XLR dual interfaces, EQ equalizer adjustment, 16mm large diaphragm capsule, full metal body for durability, cardioid polar pattern, and includes boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, and USB accessories. And on the back, it just shows you the description, the features, which I just read out, the frequency response, polar pattern, and the way you should set it up once you get it into your room. All right, so let's unbox this thing. All right, so we have helpful tips. We have the MAONO manual, full color as usual. Very detailed. We've got the wind muff for the microphone. We've got the pop filter. We're going to test this out in a bit. Just put that off to the side. We have the shock mount. We have the clamp that attaches to your desk. We have the USB cable. So it's USB-C on one end and USB-A to USB-C on the other. Then we have the metal boom arm. Nothing special. Got some Velcro straps. And then we have the microphone. Not too large. It's pretty lightweight. All metal construction. Very sturdy grill. MAONO on the front. USB-C and XLR connection at the bottom. No other switches. And on the back says made in China. All right, so what I'm going to do now is test it with XLR and then test it with USB using the Maono Link software. So let's get to that now. All right, so now I'm on the MAONO A04 Gen2 microphone. It sounds really good in my ears. It's about a fist and a half. No, it's about a fist away from my mouth. I have the wind muff on, and this is what it sounds like. So test 1 2, test 1 2. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. This is a test of the MAONO A04 Gen2 microphone. It sounds really good. I'm hand holding it right now, so you may hear some background noise, but it sounds really good. So again, I'm using the exact same settings that the microphone I was using before set to. And this is what it sounds like. All right, so now I'm going to connect it up to my phone using the USB-C cable and the Maono Link software. Stay tuned. All right, so here is the Maono Link software running on my PC. I'm no longer in the isolation chamber. I'm in a noisy environment. I'm in a kitchen. Computer fans are going. There's no sound treatment whatsoever in this room. Let's take a look at this app. So right here you can see there's noise canceling, which I just turned on. Noise canceling is on slight. So now I've turned it to moderate. Let me know how that sounds. And now I've turned it to aggressive. From the test that I heard, it may sound a little digital. It may lose quite a bit of quality when you engage noise cancellation. But let me know. I'm going to bring it back to, I'm going to turn it off actually. So noise canceling is off. Just to basically go over this app, you see that you have a record function here. You could play it back. What's really cool about this app is you could record and listen back to your recordings all within the app. You don't need a separate program for that, which is really cool. Here you have mic gain. And as you can see, my voice is bouncing within the proper frames. I'm about a fist away from the microphone. If you click scenes, it'll take you to different settings that you can use for the microphone. Right now I'm in original. Now I'm going to click recording. This is what it sounds like using the recording setting. Recording setting. This is what it sounds like using the podcast setting. This is what it sounds like using the live stream setting. And this is what it sounds like using game setting. So I'm going to bring it back to original. And in order to adjust any of the EQs and add compressor and limiter, you have to create a scene. I've already created one here. So this is the settings that I've created here. All right, so now I'm going to just add compressor. I usually do -20 on the compressor. And the limiter, I'm just going to do -3 or so. So this is just how easy it is to adjust all the parameters inside the Maono Link software. I could adjust these here, but I'm not going to. And you can export, you could delete, you could also import as well. So a lot of features in this app, the Maono Link software. I previously thought the Maono Link mobile app would work with this microphone, but it is only for the desktop. So there you have it. All right, so there you have it. I'm back on my official microphone. That's the Maono A04 Gen2. I couldn't get the software to work on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but using it in the past, it's a very good software. It has noise reduction, it has EQ, it has different voice effects. It's pretty cool. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it to work, but here it is. Very inexpensive, high quality sounding mic, the Maono A04 Gen2. Get it right now on Amazon, currently for 71 Canadian dollars. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.